Get ready for a showdown between the iPhone 17 Pro and the Nothing Phone 3, two flagship contenders redefining what a smartphone can be. The iPhone 17 Pro dazzles with its Ceramic Shield 2, dynamic island, and a stunning LTPO Super Retina XDR OLED display, while the Nothing Phone 3 captivates with its unique Glyph Matrix LED rear display and a bigger screen real estate. Today, we'll dig into their displays, platforms, cameras, battery life, build quality, memory options, standout features, and of course, the price. Which one offers the best value and innovation? Is the iPhone's polished ecosystem worth the premium, or does the Nothing Phone's bold design and specs steal the show? Let's find out. Are you ready to pick a winner, or is this battle too close to call? The iPhone 17 Pro's 6.3-inch LTPO Super Retina XDR OLED display stands out with its peak brightness of 3000 nits and Dolby Vision support, delivering an unparalleled HDR viewing experience. Its Ceramic Shield 2 and anti-reflective coating add durability and clarity, plus the innovative dynamic island and always-on display enhance user interaction beyond just visuals. On the other hand, the Nothing Phone 3 offers a larger 6.7-inch LTPO OLED with HDR10+ and a unique monochrome LED back display for notifications. But it can't quite match the iPhone's brightness and cinematic color accuracy. The iPhone's display is the true flagship powerhouse here. Under the hood, the iPhone 17 Pro runs on Apple's cutting-edge A19 Pro chip built on a 3-nanometer process, offering a hexa-core CPU with blazing 4.40 GHz performance cores and a 6-core GPU with Neural Engine for AI tasks. The Nothing Phone 3 uses the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8S Gen 4 at 4nm with an octa-core CPU, but the iPhone's tighter integration and advanced chipset architecture give it a clear edge in speed, efficiency, and graphics performance. When it comes to cameras, the iPhone 17 Pro impresses with a versatile triple 48MP setup, including a wide, periscope telephoto with 4x optical zoom and an ultra-wide lens, plus a LiDAR scanner for depth sensing and AR. It also supports advanced video formats like ProRes RAW and Dolby Vision HDR up to 60 FPS, making it a powerhouse for creators. The Nothing Phone 3's 50MP triple cameras are solid but lack the periscope zoom and LiDAR sophistication, giving the iPhone the upper hand in photography and video. The iPhone's camera features shine with sensor shift optical image stabilization, 8x optical zoom, smart HDR5, and macro photography, plus dual recording modes that elevate creative control. Nothing Phone 3 counters with AI Super Res digital zoom up to 60x and its signature Glyph Matrix LED interface, but it can't match the iPhone's precision hardware and software synergy. The Nothing Phone 3 boasts a larger 5150 mAh battery compared to the iPhone's 4252 mAh, promising longer endurance. While raw capacity favors Nothing, real-world usage depends on software optimization. But on paper, Nothing takes the lead in sheer battery size. Both phones use premium glass and aluminum frames, but the iPhone's Ceramic Shield 2 front and back offers superior toughness and scratch resistance compared to the Gorilla Glass on the Nothing Phone 3. This makes the iPhone more durable against everyday wear and tear. The iPhone 17 Pro is IP68 rated, meaning it can survive immersion up to 6 meters for 30 minutes, and supports Apple Pay with multiple certifications, enhancing security and convenience. Meanwhile, the Nothing Phone 3 has an IP64 rating, protecting against splashes but not full immersion. Plus, its blinking red light for video recording is a quirky privacy feature. The iPhone's build quality and ecosystem integration clearly take the lead here. Memory-wise, the iPhone 17 Pro offers up to a massive 1TB storage with 12GB RAM, ideal for power users needing space and speed. Nothing Phone 3 maxes out at 512GB with 12GB RAM, still generous but half the storage ceiling. For those craving maximum capacity, the iPhone is the clear choice. The iPhone 17 packs ultra-wideband Gen 2 for precise spatial awareness, emergency SOS via satellite, and advanced 3D spatial audio recording, pushing the envelope in connectivity and safety. Nothing Phone 3 counters with its innovative glyph matrix rear display for notifications and flip-to-record feature, but the iPhone's feature set is more versatile and future-proof. Price tags reveal a $1,099 premium for the iPhone 17 Pro versus $800 for the Nothing Phone 3. The question is whether the iPhone's superior display, chipset, camera system, and build quality justify the extra $300, or if the Nothing Phone's bold design and battery life make it the smarter buy.